Dongguan Linno Communication Technology Co Ltd is the year's industry-leading tempered glass factory, including design, research, and production. Own latest technology and newest product line. Production capacity 7 million pieces per month. Every step should be clean and checking in dust-free room by strict quality control. Our professional engineers can make OEM, ODM product as your request. Create and design new product, drawing, size, shape. Customize retail package with company logo, drawing. Stock enough. Delivery in time. Linno's warehouse with all models in market. You can get whatever you want. No matter big buyer or small wholesale retailers. Sales team can speak English and Japanese. Are 24 hours online to help you. Our main product is HD Clear, 3D curved glass, anti-blue light, privacy anti-spy, matte tempered glass screen protector, can be used in touchscreens, mobile phone, tablet, laptop, car navigator, camera, ebook, DV. To protect the screen from damage and scratches, which brings the screen extremely superior scratch resistance, impact resistant, shockproof, shatterproof, reduced fingerprint, anti-water, oil, dust characteristics. We will attending Hong Kong Electronics Show, CES, Canton Fair every years. Our products have been approved by USA, Japan, Europe, Australia, some domestic and foreign brands. Relying on years of experience and advantages, we build good relationship with many companies, also seeking partners worldwide, keeping improve and create new.